In a small, quiet town nestled between rolling hills and endless skies, lived two best friends, Ayaan and Rehan. They had been inseparable since childhood, bound by a shared love for adventure and a promise to stick together no matter what life threw at them. Their days were filled with laughter, exploring the nearby woods and dreaming about the future. One warm summer evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting the world in shades of gold and crimson, Ayaan and Rehan sat by their favorite spot, a cliff overlooking the vast ocean. It was here that they had shared countless stories, dreams, and fears. "I've always wondered," Ayaan began, his voice soft, "what's beyond that horizon? What if there's a place where everything we've ever imagined comes true?" Rehan smiled, a wistful look in his eyes. "Maybe one day we'll find out. Together, just like we've always talked about." As darkness fell, they noticed a strange, mesmerizing light shimmering on the water's surface, far out at sea. It wasn't like anything they'd ever seen before. Curiosity sparked in their hearts, the same curiosity that had driven them to countless adventures before. Without a second thought, they decided to take Rehan's small boat and head towards the light. The night was calm, the water still, and the only sound was the gentle lapping of waves against the boat. As they sailed farther from the shore, the light grew brighter, almost calling out to them, like a beacon guiding them towards something extraordinary. Hours passed, but the light seemed no closer. The ocean, once calm, began to churn. Waves rose higher, and the wind howled with a sudden fury. The friends clung to each other, fear creeping into their hearts, but their resolve to reach the light remained unshaken. Suddenly, a massive wave crashed over them, capsizing the boat. The icy water engulfed them, pulling them down into the depths. In those final moments, Ayaan reached out, grabbing Rehan's hand. Their eyes met, and in that silent exchange they knew they had no regrets. They had lived their lives as they had always wanted together. As the darkness closed in, the light they had been chasing enveloped them. But instead of fear, they felt peace. The light was warm, comforting, and as it surrounded them, they felt themselves being lifted, as if carried by unseen hands. When the townsfolk found the boat washed ashore the next morning, Ayaan and Rehan were nowhere to be found. Some say they had been lost to the sea, while others believed they had found what lay beyond the horizon. But the truth was known only to them. In their final adventure, they had discovered that the horizon was not a boundary, but a gateway. And beyond it, they found a place where their friendship could endure forever, in a world without end. And so, the two best friends, Ayaan and Rehan, ventured into the unknown, hand in hand, bound by their promise and their love for adventure. Together, even in death, they had found their way home.